This is my reflection for Module 7, and my name is Crystal Tanish. So, what experience has impacted me the most? So, my experience that has impacted me the most has been just learning that my normal is not the same normal for a lot of my students. So, getting to know them better and starting to build relationships where I actually get to know them and their background and their family life has been really important for me and my focus for these first weeks of school. I found that when I know students better, I can help them more. So, and then also going back to what I just said, not my normal is not a lot of the students' normal. So, getting to know their background and then that helps me understand like their behaviors in the classroom. For example, one of my students, he was in like a traumatic accident, and now in class he like acts out in class, but just finding supports for him that will help him get through the day, and then also help help him help support him academically as well. So a few of the things that I've done is give him a fidget cube in class, and that's helped him not distract others. And then academically, I usually check in on him like personally to help make sure that he's on task in his work. Okay, so my next question is, how has your mindset, tool set, skill set changed? So having this module was actually really helpful because I signed up with Jade for the RECA on October 29th. So it's a little bit more than a month away right now, and so I have really been taking the time to study. So we've been studying. I have the practice book. I have online videos that we are meeting together and doing weekly, and then also from this module, looking at all the case studies and then being able to use the strategies and practice that has been very helpful. I really liked the text. And so also my school, I found out will pay for a training, so I'm going to do a training on a Saturday, so hopefully that when I take the RECA the first time, I pass the first time. And I'm trying to do everything early. And then Jade and I, it's also easier when you have someone helping you be accountable. So Jade and I also picked a date for the Cal TPA Cycle 1. So I've already been started on that. So just getting everything together and being organized has really helped me with my progress in these things. And then what additional questions have surfaced for you? So honestly, I always have questions like every day about different things. Like for example, one of my students is struggling, and so I talked to the school counselor, and she actually meets with him. So just finding different supports for each student. And I don't have any questions about the Cal TPA, but I'm sure I'm going to eventually. One thing I am wondering about is for my follow-up videos. I know it has changed on the website and how we upload those videos. So I'm just confused a little bit about if I'm still able to record them on my iPad and then upload them to you, or how that process works. It looks a little different on my end, and so there is still some confusion, and I think Jade had some confusion about that as well. So I just need some clarity on uploading follow-up videos for after you come in the classroom. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.